Today we are reading Black Girl, Celebrate the Power of You, written by Ali Kamanda and Jorge Redmond, pictures by Amanda Corte. After the video, stay tuned for reading questions and educational activity ideas for no prep homeschool learning or classroom discussion and writing activities. Visit laurenmartinbooks.com for more free learning resources and access to my printable and play-based no prep, ready-to-go preschool curriculum. Please like, share, and subscribe to Lauren Martin Books for more read-along stories with comprehension questions and activities. Now let's read Black Girl, Celebrate the Power of You. Dear girl, black girl, rise up, it's time. It's a new day and a chance to shine. Shine like the moon, you're one of a kind, radiant and fierce, a brilliant young mind. A mind filled with wonder, creativity, and dreams. Shape your own history like these amazing queens. Dear girl, black girl, what do you see? That's Kamala Harris, America's 49th VP. This is just the beginning, so much more to behold. There's Wilma Rudolph, 3 Olympic medals, all gold. Take a breath, close your eyes, and now picture this feat. A young Claudette Colvin wouldn't give up her bus seat. Dear girl, black girl, what's that music you hear? It's Miriam Makeba, sounding jazzy in your ear. Now I wonder, dear girl, if you've ever been taught of May Carol Jemison, first black female astronaut. Learn your rich history, it's your roots, your foundation. That's why Adelaide Castley Hayford championed education. Dear girl, black girl, ever dream you could fly? Watch Misty Copeland gracefully jetty to the sky. Live life, you trailblazer, with courage and focus. Viola Desmond was a businesswoman with purpose. In the end, my dear girl, write your story your way. You can be a creative visionary like Ava DuVernay. Dear girl, black girl, what do you see? I see so many faces that look like me. Indeed, precious girl, all these faces you see were once like you, uncertain of their destiny. Rise with passion, your journey starts today, and adventure awaits, there's no time for delay. Dear girl, black girl, this one is written for you. There's no one on earth who can do what you do. Born to be great, your excellence shines from within. You own half the sky, but your poetry's yet written. Go change the world, make it a better place. Trust in your fierce spirit and magnificent grace. Dear girl, black girl, I believe in you so. Let's start your journey. Ready, set, go. What was your favorite part of this book? Who did you learn about, and what did they accomplish? What are the various historical figures and modern-day icons known for? What challenges do you think they had to overcome to achieve their goals and change the world? How would you like to change the world for the better? What are your goals and dreams, and what would you like to accomplish? What unique strengths, interests, talents, and points of view do you have? How can you use the things that make you unique and the things you care about most to make the world a better place? Brainstorm how you can use your unique interests, talents, and gifts to make the world better. What causes do you care about, whether the environment, people in need, or other humanitarian or environmental or social justice causes that you can work towards to help make the world a better place? How can you start making the world a better place today, in every moment, in big ways and little ways, affecting the people, community, and world around you with a smile, picking up litter, donating toys or food or clothes to those in need. Brainstorm ways and do some research with an adult of how you can start making big and small changes every single day. Look into careers, whether you're self-employed or work for a big company. What are things that interest you as an adult, and what are things you can do right now, every day, in your home, your school, and your community? Research the historical figures in this book to learn more about their accomplishments and what they had to overcome to achieve their goals. You can also make your own book with more historical figures and modern-day icons that can be role models to you that you can look up to. Write or draw about different people that inspire you, and write and draw about your future self, showing who you will be, what you will accomplish, and how you will change the world for the better. Please like, share, and subscribe to Lauren Martin Books for more read-along stories like this one with post-reading questions and educational, inspiring activities. Visit laurenmartinbooks.com for printable and play-based, no-prep preschool curriculum and free learning principles and activity ideas for homeschool or the classroom, or any parents who want some fun educational activity ideas. Thank you for reading with me.